I believe everybody wants to have an unending supply of cash to purchase anything they need without limitation, or at least that's what you've been told. Fast cars, decent dresses, huge houses, and the list goes on. But what is the proper way to build your riches? Savvy, wealthy people have figured out the secret to getting wealth and staying wealthy, and that secret is all in how you manage your money. First, let's define wealth. To you, is being wealthy having the latest and most noteworthy toys, or is it almost having sufficient cash to know that in any case of what life throws at you, you'll always have financial security? So, welcome to Luxury Mojo. Before we continue, please take a brief moment, go down and smash that like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, what are you waiting for? Please do it. I was used to thinking that I required all the bells and shrieks, the pleasant house, the unending supply of cash to spend my money on anything I needed, and driving the wonderful cars. But at that point, as life matured me and as my wants began exceeding my needs, I realized that wealth was in the love of my family, my special companions, and the feeling of financial freedom. Wealthy individuals have a stack of cash they've contributed that gives a great return. They know that living off the money their investments are making for them, the investment income, the better off they'll be because they will continuously have their investments working for them without utilizing their principal or the original investment. The 5 principles to wealth. Know how you manage your cash and get your cash working. Number 1. Never spend more than what you are making. The speediest way to bring a torrential slide of debt is to spend more cash than you bring in. If you cannot pay cash for something, then the reality is that you can't bear it. If you don't mind, get in the habit of paying cash, although it seems cruel to charge it on your credit card in our plastic society, then exchanging the cash right away. Studies have shown that you are less likely to overspend once you track the money you're spending. Number 2. Invest in yourself and your future. You think you've got time, but it'll backfire on you in case you keep putting it off. Start now and invest in your future. Even if you'll only manage a small, invest that. You will be wonderfully shocked to see how that cash will grow for you over time. Life itself is risky. We have to commit some hard decisions at a hard time, but that will surely benefit the future. And don't get afraid of taking the risk. It's a part of life. Number 3. Don't spend time on wasteful leisure. The wealthy individuals I've met don't spend their time on wasteful leisure. Sure, they refuel and energize, but they spend their time wisely since they get it that time is the only genuinely finite resource we have. Do you want to be wealthy? Don't spend your valuable time on drivel. Wealthy individuals don't regularly squander their valuable time on leisure, or in case they do, it's after they've finished all they need to do, or it's once they sacrifice to get their business to where it needs to be. Spend your time admirably and put it to work by envisioning and planning. Wealthy individuals are continually plotting, planning, and being curious about their operations. Make vital and strategic planning your modern video game. Wealthy individuals and trade proprietors that I know engage themselves by working on issues, thinking through plans, and then working on them. When other individuals are vegetables in front of a TV, wealthy and fruitful entrepreneurs read beneficial books, listen to a speaker or an audiobook, issue solving, side hustling, preparing, plan, or writing. Think about a video game. You're tackling issues and puzzles for the most part. Make it a game to wrap your intellect around problems and to map out vital plans. Don't squander time and mental energy on wasteful leisure. Of course, you would like leisure to relax and get a little margin time, but to become wealthy, you should be writing down and making permanent your business plans. And after that, tinkering with it, always to create it better. If you've got a family and you're a business proprietor that's trying to develop and ended up a genuine business visionary, you have got to give up. Put your family over the business, but realize that you wish to utilize as much of your time and considering as possible to be profitable if you need to be wealthy. You know, I put tremendous value on execution. In other words, just getting things done. But key and strategic planning are massively important. Time is the only asset that's limited, and in case you need to be wealthy, learn to recover tons of your relaxation time from mindless entertainment to problem understanding and trade planning. Or indeed, picking up new competencies. You require edge time, but too numerous poor individuals dump their lives into inefficient leisure. So in case you need to be wealthy, don't spend your valuable time on inefficient relaxation. You need to put your intellect towards up and forward things like issue tackling or planning. Alright, here's the fourth principle you would like to do to be rich. Number 4. Ensure you protect yourself against risks. It would be best in case you secure your greatest resource, which is you. You produce a yearly salary for working, and you wish to plan for life occasions which will cause you to lose your salaries, such as extreme sickness or accident and work loss. You never know what life can toss at you, so you need to plan for crises by securing your salary. Consider protection alternatives and sparing for crisis support. Number 5. Rules for building wealth. How to get rich isn't a lesson you educate in school. However, learning the skills is important enough that you should make an effort on your own. There are many principles for building wealth that will help you, no matter how much cash you make. First, be particular in who you select to marry. You'll get farther if you wed a life partner with the same budgetary goals. Minimize your debt. Indeed, good debt, like a mortgage, can keep you from putting your dollars to work gaining interest. Live underneath your means and make sure you're sparing for retirement. Don't support your children's college experience at the cost of your retirement savings. Lastly, if you can put off claiming Social Security as long as conceivable, you'll increment your benefits for each year you can delay, getting up to 132% of benefits owed if you hold up until the age 70. The better things in life, the luxurious things that we all work for, can come afterward in life. A smart and disciplined person will invest in their future earlier, building their central investment and live off the interest. That's the meaning of having your cash work for you. So guys, it's all about today. Did we miss some important principles? Please let us know in the comments. Do share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. See you next time!